So if I was someone with a laptop and an internet connection and I wanted to start some sort of a side hustle that doesn't require too much money when it comes to getting it up and going, I would think about maybe selling some sort of a digital product. Now, what you're looking at on the screen is a simple strategy when it comes to selling digital products in the easiest way using the internet. You're going to essentially use some sort of artificial intelligence when it comes to creating a business plan. From there, you can now use AI when it comes to actually making the digital product. You're going to ensure that you list it for sale in a professional manner. And then from there, you're going to use social media platforms when it comes to driving traffic. Starting a side hustle doesn't need to be overcomplicated. You just need to understand the steps that you need to take. And of course, the first thing that you need to do is have a solid business plan. So when it comes to those of you that are not really sure of exactly what the first step is, I would consider using this quiz that you can see on the screen. I'm going to leave a link down below, completely free to use. I created it myself just to give you guys clarity when it comes to, the type of online business that you're thinking about starting. So first things first, what I'm going to do is tell it what type of product that I prefer to sell. So you can either say physical products, digital products. I'm going to click on digital products, of course, in today's example, then click on next. It's then going to ask you how much time can you dedicate towards doing this side hustle. I'm going to say, less than 5 hours, and I want to make a passive income. Of course, if you've got more hours during the day, you're going to select any one of these different answers and then click on next. It's then going to ask you what type of digital product do you want to sell, either spreadsheets, ebooks, or some sort of educational course. So of course, this is going to be completely down to you and what you want to do. For me, I would personally click on all of them, to be honest, but for the sake of today's example, I'm going to click on educational courses. It's then very important to make sure that you select the specific niche that you're interested in. So if you're someone that's interested in health and wellness, select this one, tech and software, lifestyle and personal development. The one that I'm going to select is going to be business and marketing. And then you've got a choice of how you're going to sell whatever digital product that you've decided to sell, either with your own website, a digital marketplace, or via social media. I'm going to select my own website because there's a number of different ways that you can monetize a website, not just by selling digital products. You can make money when it comes to promoting other people's products. You can also make money from AdSense as well. So a website is a good choice, and you can also sell the website in the future if you wanted to. So I'm going to select this one and then click on submit. It's then going to come back with this personalized prompt that you can copy. Just select all of the text in between the lines, as you can see right here. So I'm going to copy it just like this. And then what I'm going to do is just open up DeepSeek. Now, DeepSeek, again, is another free artificial intelligence bot that you can use. Just go over to deepseek.com, create your account, and then click on Start Now. Once you've done that, it's going to take you over to this page where all you're going to need to do is just paste the prompt in here just like this. Always make sure that you select the DeepThink R1 option as well so that it can give you the best answer based on the prompt that you inserted into it. So I'm going to enter this text and then click on enter. And straight away, it should now start to analyze the prompt that I put into it. It's going to go back and forth with itself. It's going to try and figure out the best answer to come back with. But it shouldn't take more than a few minutes for it to do that. So as you can see right here, I've now got this step-by-step business plan based on all of the answers that I selected in that quiz. The product selection, the pricing strategy, content marketing strategy, the names that I could choose from, the prompt that I need when it comes to building my website, all of the information that I need when it comes to actually building and being able to sell the digital product in the best way. But once you've gotten to the point where you've used a tool like DeepSeek to help you structure a solid business plan and you know exactly what you need to do in a step-by-step format, the next step after that is to, of course, start the process of creating your digital product. Now, depending on what type of digital product you're looking to make, either spreadsheets or ebooks, you're going to come down over here back to the quiz, and it's going to let you know which one you need to select. So if you're looking to make ebooks or educational products, use this link right here. It should take you over to this tool that you're going to be able to try for completely free. As you can see, it says that on their website. just click on this link and create your account. And if you're looking to make an educational course, you're going to be able to click on generate just like this. And from here, make sure that you select the presentation option. The thing about most educational courses, they're done in a variety of different formats, but one of the formats is with presentation slides. Most people nowadays don't mind paying for information as long as they're getting it from a source that they can trust. That's why it's important for you to use a professional design when it comes to making your educational product, and you also make sure to sell it in the most professional way possible. And that's why I believe that Gamma is one of the best options. So I'm going to quickly run through as to how easy it is when it comes to making an educational guide. Just make sure that you select the max amount of cards possible. I'm going to select 15 in this case, but normally I would select up to 50. But because I don't want this video to be too long, I'm trying to keep it simple. Now, all you're going to need to do from this point is just enter a prompt. And the way that you can get that prompt is to come over to DeepSeek. So you can just copy all of the text just like this and then paste it in there like that. Of course, you're going to need to make some changes to the prompt depending on what you're trying to do. But I'm going to leave it like this and then click on generate outline. From there, Gamma is going to come back with all of the different units, all of the different modules, all of the different steps in this educational guide. If you're completely happy with it and you don't want to make any changes to it, you could just simply click on generate. Of course, you want to make sure that you select the theme. I'm going to leave it as it is. I'm going to say that I want it to be detailed. And once I'm happy with everything, I'm going to click on this option. And if you've been watching my channel for any amount of time, you already know how Gamma works. It's really quick, really efficient when it comes to building out educational products just like this. Now, by no means am I saying that you should use the information as it is. You want to use this as a foundation for you to be able to build from. It's a great way for you to get the basic structure of your educational product, because if you had to do all of this yourself, you would have been sitting here for hours trying to figure out the best way to structure it in a step-by-step format. And once it's finished and you're happy with it and you've read through it, you've made all of the necessary changes, you need to export it as a PowerPoint. From there, you can add value to it by using a AI generated voiceover. There's tools like 11 Labs that you can use when it comes to, putting a voice over this entire educational product so that as the user is going through it, they're also going to be able to listen to a narration. These are the type of things that you need to think about when it comes to increasing the value of whatever type of digital product that you're trying to sell. But once you've done all of that and you're ready to list it for sale, the way that you can do that is by using this platform over here called Hostinger. Now, the reason why Hostinger is a valuable tool is mainly due to the fact that it's going to be able to get a website up and running super quick, and you're going to be able to list your product for sale on it super quick and start driving traffic to it so that you can start generating sales. So as you can see on the screen right here, if you click the link in my description down below on the homepage, it's going to tell you instantly that you're going to get some sort of a discount. And right now, at the time of me making this video, you're going to be able to get up to 75% off. So that means that you're going to pay as little as $2.99 per month. And you're also going to be able to get 3 months for completely free by using that link. So if I just click on claim deal, the one that you need to select is the business website builder. It's going to come with all of these different features, all of these different templates, being able to edit the theme on a mobile phone, being able to get a 24/7 customer representative to help you if you've got any issues, all of these different AI tools, the AI image generator, AI writer, AI SEO tools, and you're also going to be able to get a free domain as well. And the best part about it is that when it comes to whatever products you're looking to sell, you're going to be able to get 0% transaction fees. So what you need to do is just click on choose plan. It's then going to take you over to this page over here. Where you've got the option to sign up for either 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, or 48 months. So the longer that you have the website for, the bigger bonuses, bigger discounts that you're going to get. Of course, it's completely up to you. And there's also a coupon code that you can enter. I'm going to leave that in the description down below. But once you've selected all of your different options and you're happy with it, just click on continue. Okay, perfect. So once you've created your Hostinger account, it's going to take you to this page right here. And it's going to be on this initial page where you're going to be able to claim your free domain. So to do that, just click on this button. And when it comes to deciding on what domain you want to use, you can either come up with it yourself, Or what you can do is come back onto the business plan on DeepSeek. So there's going to be this section over here with all of these different brandable business names for this business that you're looking to build. So just go through the list, see if there's anything that stands out to you, or what you can do is copy any one of them and just switch it up. So I'm going to copy this first one right here. I'm going to come back on here, paste it in there just like that, change this word to marketing, and then check availability. Okay, so marketingmaster.com is available. I'm going to be able to use this when it comes to building a brand around all of these different digital products that I'm going to be selling. And if I'm happy with it, all I got to do is just click on claim domain. And bear in mind that it's completely free. You're not going to have to pay anything because you use that Hostinger link in my description. And once you've gotten to the point of deciding on what your domain is going to be, the next page that it's going to take you to is this one over here, where you're going to be able to now build your website using AI. Now, I've shown this on my channel before, but they've made some adjustments to the way that you can build a website, specifically when it comes to using it to sell a digital product. So the brand name that we're working with today is going to be Marketing Master, just like this. And to get the description for Hostinger to build your website, of course, you can do it yourself as always. You don't need to come back over to the business plan. But if you did, just come down here to where it says website description and just copy it just like this. Okay, so Hostinger has been able to identify that we are going to be selling digital products on this site. So it's been able to add the necessary tool or the necessary function, as you can see right here. Read through it, make sure that you're happy with it. You can add up to 700 characters. For now, I'm going to leave it as it is, and I'm going to click on create a website. And just like that, it's been able to build this website on my behalf. So, everything looks amazing. Everything looks professional. Everything looks well done. I'm sure that if I was to start listing all of my different digital products on this site and start driving traffic to this site, there's a high likelihood that I'm going to be able to turn someone from a non-paying customer into a paying customer. And this is exactly what you're going to be able to do as well. So imagine all of this that you saw me do in this video didn't take more than around 15 minutes for me to decide on what type of product I want to sell, building the digital product, building the website for me to sell the digital product. And all that's left for me to do is, of course, start driving traffic to this site. And it goes without saying that if you want to make any changes to it, just click on editor over here. And if you want to make changes to the pages, if you want to, change anything whatsoever that you can see on the screen, you're going to be able to easily do it. That's one of the main reasons why I recommend Hostinger's AI website builder, is due to the flexibility of being able to move any element around. If I don't want this there, if I want to move this over there, I can do that. If I want to change the text, I can easily do that too. But I would say that one of the initial things that you need to do once you're at this point and you notice that there's no blog page over here is to add one ASAP. So to do that, all you got to do is click on this button right here, then come over here to add page, select that you want to add a blog page. And as you can see, the blog page has now been added to the top of the website. Now, the reason why adding a blog page is important is because this is going to be a great way for you to get organic traffic. You can get the blog articles ranked in Google, or you can advertise your articles using social media. And it's going to be from these articles that people are now going to come onto the website and see all of the different digital products that you're selling. And when it comes to writing the article, you don't even need to do it yourself, because Hostinger has an AI article writer that you can use for completely free. If I just come over here to the left-hand side to AI tools, as you can see over here, they've got this AI blog generator. So if I wanted to write an article really quick, all I got to do is just enter the description right here. And of course, this is where a AI tool like DeepSeek is also going to be able to come in, because as you can see, they've got these 10 SEO friendly blog article ideas that you can choose from. So if I wanted to pick, let's say this one right here, let's use this article. I'm just going to copy it just like this. And bear in mind, guys, that everything I'm showing you is just an example, just to illustrate how easy it is when it comes to setting up a side hustle and what I would personally do if I had a laptop and internet connection and a lot of spare time when it came to being able to get something set up really quick. So what you got to do is just paste the title of the article in here just like this. Of course, you want to be a bit more descriptive, add more words, add more information, but I'm just showing you this as an example. and I'm just going to leave it like this. I could add a little bit more, but I'm just going to leave it like this and then click on create content. And no word of a lie, guy, that probably took about 20 seconds for it to write out this entire article. And that's something that you're going to be able to do over and over again, produce multiple different articles that you're going to publish on your website. And it goes without saying, when it comes to actually adding your digital products on your site, you're just going to come over here to the store manager. And as you can see, there's a section here that says digital product. And it's going to be from this point where you're going to include all of the information about your digital product, the title, the description, the price, everything that you need when it comes to being able to list it. Doesn't take more than a few seconds for you to complete this entire page. But for the most part, that's what you need to know when it comes to building your website super quick using AI. And the next thing that you might want to do when it comes to driving potential customers to it is going to be with social media. Now, there's actually ways that you can use AI when it comes to producing short form content that you're going to publish multiple times a day for you to build up all of these different short form platforms, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube Shorts, and Pinterest. This video has already gone on a bit longer than what I expected, so what I'm going to do is leave another video right there. In that one, I'm going to be able to spend a little bit more time breaking down the fine details of what you can do when it comes to producing video content, using AI to help you promote your digital products as a complete beginner. So be sure to watch that video. It's helped out so many people, and I'm sure that it's going to help you out too. And if you also wanted to sign up to a completely free business crash course, where for the next 5 days, I'm going to send an email directly into your inbox, personally sent by myself, to help you when it comes to understanding the steps of being able to build an internet-based business. This crash course has already helped out so many people, and I'm sure that if you sign up to it and engage with all of the emails that I'm going to send, you're definitely not going to regret it. But other than that, guys, I'll catch you in that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.